It's the custom shape here. We have to take that static shape in the center there. Let's make the changes around it. Make up here using another design. I will use the elliptical shape here. So there is a paint here. Use the different shapes. Let's make the changes there. Here's an eraser tool.